Yibbity bee, zibbity bee. Where do you think I be? I be in Albert Lea. And I'm at the end. Last stop. This is it. Last stop, folks. That's an L. Last. L if you're dyslexic. That's a backwards L. And that's it. I'm on my way back up. I'll be home here in a little bit. Next hour. And that's it. I got my Come and Go hat on. Oh, man. Because I am at Come and Go. Oh, no, I'm at Casey's. I take it back. I'm at Casey's. I'm at Casey's, and the Chargers here are magnificent. They're all working. Good reviews. They're all flying. I think you can see, you can see one right there in the background. I just wanted to take this moment to just reflect quickly on this journey and let everybody know that I will be recapping everything, and I'm going to put all the videos into one long video. I'll edit them all and put them all together. I'm not going to edit the videos, but I'll push them all together and make it one long one for people that are really bored and want to watch. Actually, though, I think there was some good information in a lot of them, but I will recap all the numbers. I will give you all my kilowatts, what I spent, what range I got, up and down. I'll give you my top 10 things that I learned, the top 10 things, and give you an overall synopsis of what my impressions were of being the first person. I was the first person to take an all-electric, full-size truck across the country, out to the West Coast and back to the Mississippi. Now, if you're interested and you want to know more, or you have a comment, or you want to see me go to the East Coast and go back, I've done just shy under 5,000 miles, but I'll go and I'll do another 5,000. If I get good feedback from this and I get a good response from this, absolutely. I will positively go and do that, and we'll go check it out, and we'll see what we can see and see what the road has to offer, because I'm very fortunate enough to be able to do this. And just one thing I want to reiterate is that I'm not getting paid by anybody for any of this. Nothing. Not one person has given me 5 cents. I take that back. I got a couple of free charges. But Ford isn't paying me. No one's paying me to do this. No, none of the charging stations or those manufacturers, nobody is. There are people online that have taken trips and they've reviewed Ford Lightnings. They've reviewed other vehicles. There's like there's a kind of a cool EV family. I watched them a little bit. They're kind of cool, but they get sponsored. There are some guys that own they're electricians, or they own shares, and they have a vested interest in the charging stations. And I know that they've posted a lot. A lot of folks out there have been given vehicles by manufacturers so they can show their following and tell them what they've learned and what they have. None of that on my end. None of that. I'm just an everyday Joe who got lucky. I got really fortunate enough to be able to get one of these vehicles. I love traveling and going across the country, and I thought that I would record it and document it. And then when I searched the internet extensively, nobody has done what I have done. And so I feel very good about being a pioneer. I like being a pioneer. We had some ups and we had some downs. There were some bumps in the roads. It was crazy, man. It was crazy. But it was awesome. It was awesome. And I really want to thank each and every one of you for joining me on this journey. I really appreciate it. Really appreciate all the love. Appreciate all the thumbs up. Appreciate the subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Even if you don't want to subscribe and then unsubscribe, because it actually helps my channel a little bit. It helps me grow my channel, which of course I'm trying to do like everybody else. So I hope this was valuable. I hope you learned a lot. I hope you enjoyed my ramblings and my blah, 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 blah. And I will catch you on the next trip. All right. As always,